this project is basically about bringing community-based researchers and university-based researchers together. And what we're trying to do is look at setting up a co-production community of practice. Co-production is where you bring people together from different stakeholders and they have equal power and influence over the research to produce work that benefits everyone involved.
So I came along, I did this zine, and the main focus of my zine was to kind of show a before, a during, and where we're up to at the moment in the project. So I really wanted to focus on the problem with HIV in the community that we currently have. We did community outreach, and that is where we were able to build trust within the community. We were able to engage with them. They were seeing the brand on repeat, and through this method, we're able to show our adaptability to what the community were needing.
The coffee morning just become where people come together. It's a place for socializing. We have a lot of women who even never used to left the house or get engaged with the community. We have those people in there. We have researchers who never had a contact with any community that look like us. The zine we did was all about what it means to be a community researcher. You know, what community research means to you and how can we include everyone.
This ensures that we're able to implement changes smoother, introduce new working practices easier, and involving both the stakeholders and the community members has been of massive value to this project.
Nilari has constantly in the past been approached by various organisations who wanted to get racially minoritized people involved with their research, but we felt that we were kind of like in the middle, like a goldfish. Everyone was looking in and wanted a piece of us, but we were very guarded.
People were putting their stuff on the community. Now, actually, we wanted to turn that around and say, actually, it's about the community highlighting what they felt were the issues that they wanted to explore. And the zine allowed us to really start to look at the journey and document it in a very creative way.
We've got the mother hen sitting on her eggs, the eggs being the community.
That's us too.
The two of us, mother hens, in the nicest possible way, and being protective of the eggs to make sure that no one's going to come in and steal from them.
We work a lot with the community researchers and, academic researchers in the coffee morning where they come to tell us from the start, I have this project, what do you think of it? It says in here, plant and grow your ideas. So we giving them our ideas and that ideas could grow to something bigger than us. They can go to another community and use the same thing.
I've got here clearly that it's to the people, which is specifically what we wanted to do with this project. We wanted to take it to the community. It has been very impacting and very rewarding to see people in my community getting this extra knowledge that they didn't have before. And as a researcher, to be able to work on this, it's just been a really big blessing.
And one of the things that I've learned in doing this job is that even though we're not experts in research, we can reach out to the researchers and they were more than willing to work with us because it would benefit all of us if we work together. This is about what our community want and what's important to them.
We really want this to be a safe space. This ensured that the community members' opinion was valid, listened to and taken on board.
Communities have a lot to say about what they want for their future. They want to be a part of those discussions. We're working together to move forward, to make things better and safer. And just more exciting for our communities.
We really feel happy that researchers are coming down to the ground and saying, okay, guys, this includes you as well. We need to include everyone. So we're really positive that it's going the right way.